So today I am gonna be testing out the Camo CC Cream from e.l.f. They just came out with this. It's supposed to be a color correcting, full coverage, natural finish CC cream. I have never found one that like matches my skin tone exactly. Their shades are usually meant to fit a wide range of complexions. I do have 20 shades. I have the shade Deep 540N, which online it looks like it matched me, but I don't think it does. That's just a quick little face swatch. So as you can see, it's a little light. Also on the back of here, it says you should only need 1 to 2 pumps, and it's supposed to be full coverage. So I'm just gonna start with 1 pump first. That's how much you get with 1 pump. I'm also gonna be using their new complexion brush that they dropped with this. It says online and on the packaging that they recommend you use that brush with it. So forewarning, it is dirty because I have used it. But I've only used it with this product, so there's no cross-contamination. All right, so this is just 1 layer. It's not a bad match, but I just don't know if everyone will be as lucky to find something that kind of matches versus like fully matches. I do feel like the tone of this is a little off, like the undertone looks a little off to me. It looks a little like bland. I don't know. I will say it is full coverage. Personally, I do have hyperpigmentation. So I always, no matter what foundation I'm using, have to go back and just hit up my little problem areas really quick. So that's not a mark off for me. Also doesn't mean it's not full coverage, just my hyperpigmentation. This is a nice finish for like day to day. Like this is like a finish I would like for like a foundation or a base. If I was like going into work or something, I don't want something that's super dry because then my face feels like it's suffocating all day. But I don't like something that's really radiant either. So I feel like this is a good mix. But if you're a matte girl, stay away. So I am done with my makeup. I'm just doing some little last minute touch-ups. We're gonna give her an 8 out of 10. Really it's docked 2 points just for the shade range. That's really it. The CC and BB creams are kind of difficult because like they're supposed to fit like a wide range of shades, but for me, I'm just like, if you're gonna offer me 20 shades, like you might as well just give me a full run of shades. And if you're not gonna give me a full range of shades, then just give me like 5 or 6 shades and just say do what you do with it. As for everything else, the claims that they made were true. It is a full coverage, it is a natural finish, so if you like both of those, this is a win for you. It's also an inexpensive product. You seem to get a decent amount in here. Like I don't foresee you running out of this like super quick. So, and it also has sunscreen in it, SPF 30. I feel like it's a good product. I don't feel like you'll be wasting money if you buy this. And it definitely, like, if you're a full face cake kind of girl like me, you can still do a full face with this. Sometimes with BB and CC creams, they're so light and so sheer that like if you try to do a full face with it like this, it looks a little weird. It looks a little... If you are not already, please make sure you subscribe. I might have another giveaway coming up for you guys soon, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. My name is @Niara Alexis on there, and I will see you guys next time.